In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 rapping flow hacks that you can use to help with improving your rap flow. And you can use each of these techniques to change how an existing rap cadence of yours feels in a subtle or obvious way without having to add or remove any syllables. And I'll be demonstrating these 4 techniques over an instrumental that I produced called Fairy Tales. If you like this instrumental, I'll post a link in the video's description below to where you can get it. The first rapping flow hack is something called legato. Now, legato is a music term which basically just means music notes that are long. So when you think legato, think long. And when I'm wanting my rap lyrics to feel more legato, I just adjust the rap cadence so that it feels like each word is just running into the next word without any gaps in between them. And this will give your rap lyrics and cadences a really smooth texture and cause you to sound just mellow and chill and relaxed. And here's an example of how that sounds. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. Now let's say that you want your rap cadence to sound more aggressive. One way that you could do that is just by adding more syllables into your bar to make it more dense, and that can cause it to feel more aggressive. But I'm about to show you another way to make your raps feel more aggressive without having to add any extra syllables to it. And we can achieve this by using Legato's baby mama's younger brother's cousin, staccato. Staccato is another music term that is used to describe music notes that are short. So by just simply shortening the length or the sustain of the music notes from my existing cadence, I can make it sound more abrupt and sharp and aggressive. And here's an example of how that sounds. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. Now let's say that you're a have your cake and eat it too kind of person, and you want that aggressive sounding type of vibe you get from the staccato notes, but you still want to try to mellow it out and kind of make it sound a little bit more chill at the same time. Well, one way that you can achieve this is by adding a late swing to your cadence. Swing is another music term that is used to describe something that is slightly offbeat, but in a musically pleasing way. And in music, there's this thing called the pocket, which is basically a zone that's around each beat. And if you land within that zone, it'll make your lyrics feel different, but they'll still sound good. So in this case, if I were to add a late swing to the staccato notes, then it's going to cause those notes to feel more smooth and relaxed and chill, but it's also going to retain the aggressiveness and the sharpness that the staccato notes provides. Now here's an example of how that sounds, and pay close attention to how now my syllables are landing slightly after the snares. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. And you may be wondering, since the pocket is a zone around the beat, then what would happen if we did the reverse of a late swing and started adding an early swing to our lyrics and started landing a little bit before each beat? Well, an early swing will actually cause your lyrics to feel more anxious and rushed, and it'll create more tension. And this could be a great way to add a different type of texture to your rap cadences and to your lyrics to make things feel a little bit more rigid and less polished. An early swing is much more commonplace in contemporary rap trap style type cadences. And here is how that sounds. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. Now let's take a listen to all 4 of these back to back so you can hear how much of a dramatic difference each of these techniques makes to the feeling and sound of this overall cadence. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. I've got 4 methods for you to improve your flow. No second guessing, apply it and let it go. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, in the video's description below. And make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.